This is the Tazz rototiller I got last year. So the end of the second season this year, and I've tilled 4 times with it. And this is where I keep it stored in the winter time. I just put a tarp over it, leave it next to the tool shed all winter, and we get a fair amount of snow. And I don't use it a lot. I've just got these small gardens. This is one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. So I got it all washed off and ready to put back. And haven't started it yet this morning. I finished tilling yesterday. And it's supposed to rain sometime here today, but I just wanted to show you guys how this was doing after, you know, a year's time and tilling 4 times. Might not need that choke. You guys can see it still runs fine. It took about 5 or 6 pulls this summer to get it started up, and I don't know if I had quite enough gas on there, but it started right up and did a good job. And if you guys are having trouble putting these together, David, you left a comment earlier today about having trouble putting this together, and you saw my video on how to assemble, which was about a year ago. So if anybody's having trouble putting these together, just a couple issues. The inside axle here, you'll have to drill these holes out, all 4 of these holes on that axle, to get that bolt through. But other than that, the only other issue, I was surprised David had the same issue. Let's see if it's still in there. Yeah, it's still in there, David. So that bolt right there, that last one, it didn't really tighten the way that it should, but it's still in there. So if you guys are looking for a cheap rototiller, this one has proved to be pretty good so far. I'm gonna put this away back in the hole over there. You guys have a great day. We'll see you.